So earlier we said that problems are derived from knowledge. But the question here now is, what are the different sources of knowledge? Where do our knowledge come from? Okay? So, in order to discuss that first, what is knowledge? What do we mean by the word knowledge? Okay? So, knowledge is just a specific part of a discipline. Meaning to say, knowledge is just a component of a specific discipline, and that discipline is philosophy. Philosophy. So meaning to say, knowledge is just a part of philosophy. Now, in order to discuss knowledge, we must first need to define what is philosophy. So, let's first erase this. So, philosophy. Okay. Philosophy came from the two Greek words. Okay, first one, the Greek word philos. Philos means love. Okay? Then, the other Greek word is sophos. Sophos means wisdom. So, in other words, philosophy is the heart, okay, of wisdom. Okay? Philosophy is the heart of wisdom. Basing from its etymology. Okay. So, to discuss further, philosophy has four main branches. Four main branches of philosophy. So we have number 1, logic. Number 2, we have ethics. Number 3, we have metaphysics. Metaphysics. And number 4, we have epistemology. Epistemology. Okay. So let us define each branch. Okay, each branch of philosophy. So let us start with logic. So logic, it includes the study of reasoning. Okay? So the branch of philosophy that includes the study of reasoning is what we call logic. Next, ethics. It includes the study of morality. Okay? Whenever we say morality, we distinguish what is right and what is wrong. Okay? Next, it also includes the study of values. When we say values, giving worth. Okay? Or in ESP, in your ESP subject, pagpapahalaga. Okay? Pagbibigay halaga. Okay? And lastly, it includes the study of attitude. So, attitude meaning to say behavior. Okay? So, that is ethics. Next, metaphysics. So, metaphysics came from the words meta, meaning beyond. Okay? And physicon, meaning nature. So, meaning to say, metaphysics deals with the study that is beyond the human nature. Okay? Study that is beyond the human nature. Okay? Okay? So, the last one, we have epistemology. So, try to write this down because I will erase it. We have limited space on our board. Okay. So, the last branch of philosophy is epistemology. Epistemology came from the Greek word episteme or episteme. Episteme meaning knowledge, and the suffix logi meaning the study of. Meaning to say, epistemology is the study of knowledge. Okay? So this is the main reason that we say that knowledge is just a specific part of philosophy. Okay? Knowledge is just a part of philosophy. And because it is one of the four main branches of philosophy, which is epistemology, the study of knowledge. Okay? So now that we have derived or we have identified the meaning of knowledge, let us now proceed to the four main sources of knowledge. Okay? Where do we find knowledge? Where do knowledge come from? So, we first enumerate the four before we discuss it thoroughly one by one. So, the first one is the intuitive knowledge. The second one would be authoritative knowledge. The third one would be logical knowledge. And the last one would be empirical knowledge. So, in our next video presentations, we will be discussing in detail these four main sources of knowledge.